Okay, I was starving. So, if you are on a personal development journey that has to do with your physical appearance, I definitely suggest you try what I'm about to try. So, this is my second box from Factor, and so my first time trying it, a friend gave me their coupon code, and literally I paid just the shipping, which was like $10, and I had got 8 meals. And the normal price for that I believe so after that first week, they were like, okay, you gotta pay your normal price, which was like 100 and some change for that week for 8 meals. And I was like, oh, bet. I'm like, this is good. So this time, of course, I'm starting small. And last time I had got meals that I just wanted to eat. That was it. It was just whatever I wanted to eat. Let me close my laundry room door. I can hear my dryer. Okay, so this time, of course, with me being on my winter art, 90-day transformation, I am really, really, really trying to be disciplined with what I put into my body, and basically to overall equate that to my overall lifestyle. So when you order, they deliver it on a Monday or Tuesday. And as you can see, it has these cold packs in here to keep your food nice and fresh. And the cold packs also are biodegradable, I believe. Let me see. Okay, yeah. And they're non-toxic and stuff, which I thought that was great, because I'm like, what am I gonna do with these packs? So I did 4 meals, because what I was trying to do was basically I was gonna use it for lunchtime, and then I eat with my kids for dinner. So this time my meals were carb conscious and high protein, or either low calorie and everything like that. So that's what I did. So I do have some coupon codes and everything like that, and all that good stuff. So what I will do, let me see. What is this? Okay, so what I would do is I would enter in my coupon code down below. That way you guys can try it and you can see if you like it. So I loved it, just by the way. It was amazing. So today I think I'm gonna eat, let me see, what is this one? American skin. I don't even know what is this. Oh, they're on the back. I'm tripping, y'all. Okay, so I got red wine, mushroom, and chicken pasta. I love me some pasta. It's so hard for me to stay away from pasta. And I got roasted red pepper filet mignon with tortellini, primavera lemon garlic butter. Now they do have what they call sometimes the more premium meals. Usually it'll be in a little black thing, but this one wasn't. So the premium meals they'll tax you a little bit. This one is pimento verde pork chop. And I can't believe I really got that one. I haven't had a pork chop in years. I don't know. Loaded mashed potato pork chop. I got more pork chop? I guess I did. And see, me, I look at pictures. So these are fresh. They say fresh, never frozen. They're chef prepared, dietitian approved. They heat up in 2 minutes, which they really do. Every time I have put these in, and they heat up literally in 2 minutes. So y'all already know I'm about to go with my red wine, mushroom, and chicken pasta with this broccoli on the side. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that sounds good. I think they get frozen on the commute here, honestly. put these up for the rest of the week for me to have for lunch. Now, I have yet to try their shakes or their breakfast, and I believe they have some like dessert too. And also, like, they're really good for like portioning out your meals if you're not trying to like overeat or really, you know, just watch, you know, how much you intake. But I really want to try their shakes. They have like these fruit shakes. They have protein shakes. I'm not a big breakfast fan, so I'm really not looking forward to like trying their breakfast, but all the other stuff I definitely want to. Oh, and also they have all the nutrition facts on here. So what I'm about to eat, the red wine, mushroom, and chicken pasta. So the tray, the whole tray is 340 grams. The calories is 430. So they'll say it has 18% grams of fat. The carbs in this whole meal is 32 grams. It has 6 grams of fiber, 4 grams of sugar. The protein is 33 grams. The potassium is 870 milligrams. And so I think that's good. Like I said, I'm not trying to like kill myself, and I'm not really doing the calorie deficit anymore, but I really do want to watch what I eat and how I eat. And so this is it. Okay, let's see how this tastes. Because I told y'all, I was eating like meals that I'm just like, ooh, that looked good. That looked tasty. So these are like the more healthy meals, I guess. This is freaking good. This is good. So one reason why I don't meal prep is because I hate when my chicken tastes old or like weird. Like every time I try to meal prep and I reheat my stuff, it tastes weird. And maybe because it's, I don't know, it's not fresh or whatever, but yeah, this is good. You don't have like no aftertaste with the meat or anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating in front of my face. But this will have me set for lunchtime, and then I'm good to eat dinner later with my kids. So I'll have all the information in the link below. I think you guys should definitely try it. It's good. It's worth the shot, where you just try it out. And if you don't like it, you can cancel your membership anytime. It's not like a locked in contract or anything like that. You also don't have to get like, 4 meals or 8 meals or 5 meals. You can get however many meals you want to. If you want 2 meals, get 2 meals. So definitely try it out. If you guys like this video, please like. I definitely want to know the different type of content that you guys want to see on my channel when it comes to what I do to try to work on, my higher self. So definitely let me know if you like this video, if you want to see something more dealing with food or, your physical overall with your body. Yeah. All right. See you guys next time.